Perfect. So we're live now. Katie, what is the problem that you're facing? As you described in a Facebook post, you're trying to do JSON ad.
Yes.
And
yeah.
something doesn't refresh, right?
Yeah. What I've done, it's the first time I've used JSON. In fact, it's the first time I've really used ManyChat, to be honest with you. So I set up my widget, which is what's here on the screen now, and I did that actually going through the ManyChat videos, if you like. So I did it step by step, and I set up my Facebook ad. And then when I went to go into the section in Ads Manager, where I input the JSON code, what I get, if I can just find, now, let me just find I think it's here. I'm completely new to this, so bear with me. Right, so when I go on to setup here, you see the code here is this text here is the original text that was in the widget. But if you look into my opt-in, and obviously go on to here and edit, this is my message here. Now I can't see you now, but I'm presuming that you still see me.
Yeah, I do see that. Okay, so yeah, we can easily solve it. If you navigate back, so the issue is, like the solution to it is actually a solution to many problems in ManyChat.
Right.
So if you go to the screen back to your growth tools, where you actually edit the widget, the Facebook JSON ad itself. Just
so if I go back to widgets, go back to here.
Perfect.
And then
and now here, wait. So now you have here a text that is not reflected in a setup. Right?
Yeah, that's correct.
So setup doesn't get updated automatically. Now the trick here with ManyChat is basically to refresh permissions. And that literally is a trick. So go to settings in ManyChat.
Okay, settings. Yep.
And somewhere down on this general page should be refresh settings.
Okay. There, refresh permissions.
Yeah, precisely that. Now, unfortunately, currently you have to do it every single time you modify the text that goes into JSON ad.
Oh, right. Okay, then. You have to forgive my computer. It's nearly as old as I am, and it's a bit slow.
No worries. It's getting done. Okay. So now if we go back to Growth Tools and see this JSON ad, in the setup part, it will reflect the changes that you made in opt-in actions.
Okay, let's get down here. Oh, wait, brilliant.
Now,
all this time of trying to work it out, and it was that simple.
Yeah. Okay. Now, if you copy that code and go to Ads Manager, because there could be another problem with it. So another problem that could be the length of the message, of the initial message. So, okay, you're doing ad setup.
Okay.
Perfect. Now, you want to use the custom template. So create your own welcome experience, exactly that. Now, select the tab.
Hang on a minute.
Custom template, that was there. Yeah. So not the standard, but the custom template.
Yeah. Get started. This is slightly different to what's, and then JSON, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, and now you select the JSON, not the visual. Yeah, you have to clean up. You have to be careful here. Yeah. It has to be, the whole field has to be cleaned up, right? Because you see those brackets here, it's all structured. So if you don't delete everything, you're getting some weird errors potentially.
So, and just delete the lot, yeah?
Yep. And then paste what you just got from the growth tools.
Oops, sorry, did the wrong thing there.
No worries. We're getting there.
Oh, come on, and my computer is so slow as well. I'll ignore that. Oh, come on.
Just hit cancel on it.
Cancel, where's that?
Next to print.
Next to, all right, there, of course. I'm looking on my keyboard. Okay, so if I go Control V there, Okay, and that's in.
Okay, now verifying your changes.
Verifying.
So
verifying.
Exactly.
All right.
See the message limit? You're like on a Twitter now.
All right. Okay, then. So it's this first message.
Yeah, that's too long. Okay. So now unfortunately the loop here is that you have to actually change the message in a growth tool, then refresh the permissions, copy the code, paste the code again. Now the length of the message is a common problem, right? Like once you have this out and you know that the refreshing permission actually refreshes the JSON by itself, you're good to go, right?
Right. Okay. So do you want me to try that again then?
Yeah, you can try it again.
So if I go to here, if I go to growth tools, go back to my message, edit that. So I'll probably change this again to something, you know, a bit more, but I'm just going to delete that middle chunk just so that we can see it works when it's thought about it. Right.
Perfect.
So if I just, I'll just delete that lot. Okay.
Now for sure you're in 150.
Yeah. So then I just publish this first.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's good learning this. So go back to
settings now.
Oh, settings. Yes. Sorry.
Yeah, because now you have to refresh it, right? Refresh the permissions. Because the way ManyChat works is that it's somehow stored within the Facebook page, this information.
Right.
When you just published, it is like if you would have another person working on your Facebook page as an agency, for example, we don't have different content. We actually work on the same content that is somehow stored in Facebook. That's why you have to publish and then refresh the permissions to actually get that new JSON updated.
Okay, so if I go into setup here. Okay.
Yep.
That's the new one. So hang on, go down, copy code to clipboard, go to here, go back and copy the whole lot. Okay. Control all, delete, and Control V. Right, okay. So that's the new code. Okay, so I put the new code in. It doesn't give me a message to say it's so.
It should be somewhere at the bottom.
So I'm presuming that's all. Yeah.
So
it's there. So that's absolutely fine.
Yeah. So
okay,
now confirm. And let's see if it actually recognizes that it's fine now.
It's so much easier. There we go. There's to my account overview. So I'm assuming, excuse my phone, I'm assuming it's all there.
Yeah,
so everybody can see how much money I'm spending.
Okay, we'll cut that. I'll edit that section out so it won't be visible.
All right, okay then. At least we're not live at the moment, so that's fine. Okay, so then multiple items. Yeah, I'll sort that out in a minute. That said multiple items couldn't be published. I don't know why, but
if you look again at this ad that you were just editing, just to make sure that everything is fine there, like edit, on the bottom here is edit, yes.
Okay, I don't want to publish just yet. Okay, so it looks like it's all there.
So you have to click the ad. So where you have the top navigation here, Messenger. Oh, look, something's happening.
Yeah, there we go. So it's just my laptop takes a bit of time to catch up with the rest of the world. Okay, so that's all there. So it's a long ad. It's a story ad. Okay, and there's my thank you for it there, and there's my code there.
Perfect.
So that says it's fine, and I could just click and go and do publish.
Yeah.
So great. That's all be sorted.
Perfect. So 2 things to remember. You have to refresh the permissions whenever you change the contents of the opt-in in the JSON ad. And then you have to be careful that the message cannot be longer than 150 characters, or it won't work. Facebook won't accept it.
Okay, that's great.
Perfect.
Thank you. Really appreciate your help. It's very simple when somebody knows what they're doing and can talk you through it, isn't it?
Yeah, you're welcome. And good luck with your ad.
That's great. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, Alex.